Hi, I'm Christine from Accordance Systems. Today I'm going to introduce how Accordance RPA systems works. For the demonstration here, we have the target computer, which is the computer we want to take control of or you want to automate. Accordance RPA system is plug and play. In other words, there is no need to install any software and drivers in the target computer. All you need to do is to connect the keyboard, mouse, and video port of the target computer to the remote control module, which is the small unit right here. And then we have the second computer, which our RPA software is installed on. We will connect to the remote control module through the network. Here you can write your automation script and save everything on the second computer. You can have the entire RPA system right on site at the edge. Accordance RPA systems can help replace repetitive works and collect data. As human labor shortage becomes a growing issue in all kinds of industries, we aim to help business increase their efficiency and also help manufacturers of all kinds optimize their production lines. So, if you are interested in our RPA systems or you want to learn more, please send us an email at this address at any time and also follow us on LinkedIn to stay tuned with our latest solution. Thank you.